Hi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the IdlePython app. So this video will be very helpful for many of our future videos. So first go to a web browser. I'm going to Chrome. Now go to python.org. Now click on download. So there's Windows, Mac, OS X, and other platforms. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to be clicking on Windows. So when you scroll down, you'll see something called latest Python 3 release, Python 3.9.0. So click on that one. So now scroll all the way down here. So now click on this one, Windows times 8664 executable installer. Click on that. I'd recommend you use that, or else you can use anything else that's executable. So now click on install now. So it's almost done. So now it says setup was successful. Now click close. And when you click here, there'll be 3 Pythons. Click on the one that says IdlePython. And there it is. So this is the end of the video. I hope this video is very helpful. We'll be posting more videos soon. See you soon. Keep watching and bye.